Hello, Ian. Diana Teresa Vargas Daza from TED and Education degree program. Currently study the fifth semester. Today I will present Task 4 L'estat upon future plans of the Vidus English. Introduction. Today I will present a little on the future plans both in the medium and long terms. I have to say that I am a woman with many future goals, so I will try to record the most relevant, honest work my personal and family leads. The idea is that you can come and little about me at what it I am doing to be able to, to fulfill my future dreams. My current achievements and work plan in Bachelor Cesar, but in currently in Hawaii Virico with my family. In finish my secondary studies in Hawaii Virico where I met a wonderful man we won in married me and had our fifth child, our adoration. I won't care for chair as an education assistant and CDI in the municipality and with his husband we managed to create our what family business. Mi short and medium term objectives. Creation of one of net commercial headquarters in Becerril. As in al.io, I have created a business with my husband. My short-term goal is to be able to open a new headquarters in my homeland in Becerril. I have thought about expanding the business with more products than customers and requisites. It will be a house in the central area of the municipality because they are more comfortable and spacious for larger families than only in plan to have. I will finish my university studies in Cheshire and choose be able to have and hot time generators got in common. My long-term goals are I will work in a local schools and as graduate and finish my master and doctoral studies to be able to create my own school. I will create a foundation in the next 7 years to help farmers in the region sell their production. I will continue with the family business and we have founded since in its success to chief foundation that in am going to create. I will set my children to study and bilingual school so that can learn English for a very young age and it will not be very difficult for them in they want to study outside the country. As you can see, there are my plans and my dream with in will faithful in the hell at God. Thank you for your time.